Oh, hello, I'm Professor Alex. Today we're going to learn about colors. Look, you see? You see what I'm doing? You see? Look at it. You see? It's green, yellow, blue, purple, orange, green. Would you like to make all the colors of the world? Yeah, you do. Let's do it. Let's do it right now. Black, blue, red, yellow, white. You only need just this blue and this red and this yellow. But first we have to protect the table with this paper. Okay, let me see. Y voy a pintar esto. I'm painting the wheel. Now this is how it looks like. This is yellow, and this is red, and this is blue. Okay, that's all. Right? This one? Into the yellow. And that's orange. We need to mix 5 yellow and 5 blue. Right here. Make green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 4, 5, 6. We have yellow, we have blue, we have orange, we have green, and after we're going to make purple.
You're gonna need. How do you know?
because I got eyes in there. Okay. 8 of pink and 2 blues. Okay? That's 1, 2. Is that purple now? Purple is going to be purple. I like purple, 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 purple. The color wheel now is done. Da 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 da. You see? Isn't this beautiful? Isn't this beautiful?
What did you use?
Yellow and blue.
Good.
Blue, red and blue. Red and yellow. Red and yellow, red and yellow. Just come out. Red and yellow, just come out. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Achoo!